Hey guys, this is Liam from Killer Ink Tattoo, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Hyper V4 from Stigma-Rotary. Stigma's Hyper range have been some of the best selling tattoo machines of all time, so it's easily understandable that this new version has been eagerly awaited by artists. So, let's get down to business. The Hyper V4 is a well-balanced, swash-driven rotary machine, meaning it can take both standard needles and cartridges. Thanks to its universal screw-on connection, the Hyper V4 can be used with cartridge grips from all major brands, including the Cheyenne grip we have here. Powering the Hyper V4 is a 6-watt Swiss-made motor with a 2mm shaft and 2 preloaded ball bearings, ensuring smooth running and reliability. It also has a gold-plated RCA connection on the top here. Now this machine has both adjustable stroke length and give. To adjust the stroke length, you simply twist the motor here from 3 to 4mm. And to adjust the give, you simply twist the dial here, like so. So, let's take a look at how easy it is to set this up. The Stigma Hyper V4 is available to order from Killer Ink Tattoo via the link in the description below, and it is available in various colours: red, black and nuclear green. If you like what Stigma has been offering with their machine range, check out the Spear and the Stylist. Both are pen-style rotary machines with adjustable stroke length, while the Spear offers fully adjustable give. So, what do you think of Stigma's new and improved Hyper V4? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.